Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to get rid of page break. As example, I will create page break. You can click at this point and then go to insert and then click page break. So we have the page break, and to delete the page break, first you can show the page break icons. You can go to home tab and then active for the paragraph mark. So you can see the page break in your document. To delete, you can sort the page break like this and then press delete button to delete the page break. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to get rid of page break. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.